Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys with breaking news guys, with a brand new drone that has been released. This was something that no one expected, that came out of nowhere, and this could very well be the future for drones guys. We're going to be covering the brand new release of this brand new drone in today's video. But before we get started guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity in winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. And if we're able to get to 1,300 subscribers before October the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you join the Drone in Motion family. It's super easy, it's simple, and the best of all, it's free guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you participate on the giveaway and you don't miss out on our content that we release every single day guys. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video, which is a really exciting one guys. So today I really didn't thought I was going to be making this video, but guys, the news have come. We got a brand new drone, but this time it's not DJI, it's not Autel, it's not Skydio, it's not Parrot. Who is it then? Well, in today's video we got a brand new drone that was just released by Ring. I know you guys are like, wait, Ring? The guys that make doorbells and security features for your home? Yes guys, those guys have decided to release a drone from themselves guys. So if you guys don't know what Ring is, these guys are the best when it comes to making home security cameras guys. So I'm gonna leave a picture of that right here on the screen. So that is Ring, that company that makes security doorbells and cameras. But this time they decided to release a security drone guys. Yes, it looks like we're gonna have some kind of police drone in our house now. I love these guys. So this drone is called the Ring Always Home Camera. So this is a completely autonomous drone that can fly around you inside your home to give you a perspective of any room or area that you're curious to know. So I'm gonna leave a picture of the drone right here. So in the very beginning you're going to be like, what the hell is this box? But just give us a second. So that is what it looks like when it's just simply stationary, when you're not using it. But then when you decide you want to get a closer look, let's say at your bedroom, the drone is gonna take off from the base and it's gonna take a look at your bedroom. So this is what the drone looks like when it takes off. So that is what it looks like when it takes off. I love the design guys, it looks to be super safe and it looks to be like this could be the future guys. So we got a video today from Ring that's promoting their drone. So I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen guys. It's a 30-second clip, which is a really exciting one where we get to see how this Ring drone works. So that is how the Ring drone works guys. So apparently this drone will have a price of $249, which in my opinion I think it's a fair price. I think it's pretty reasonable for what we're going to be getting. So let me get into specs guys, and it will start shipping next year. So 2021 we'll be getting this new Ring drone, which is just right around the corner guys. A couple more months till we're in 2021 guys. So this new Ring Always Home camera is going to be able to provide us with multiple viewpoints throughout our home, as we already mentioned, without the use of installing multiple cameras. So this could really save us some money, as we're not going to be needing to install different cameras all around our house and wasting a ton of money, guys. So I think this is a perfect idea from Ring, guys. Additionally, let's dive into a little bit more of the specs, guys. So the Always Home camera is fully autonomous, but owners can tell where the drone needs to fly, and they can take it wherever they want in their house, guys. And you can also preset different locations so the drone knows where to fly, guys. So for example, you can set viewpoints such as the kitchen, bedroom, and the drone can be commanded to fly on demand or programmed to be flight when disturbance is detected via linked Ring alarm system. So apparently we're going to be able to link our Ring cameras with our drone. So I love this. So let's say our Ring camera takes some movement in our bedroom, the drone is going to be taking off and it's going to be flying right towards our bedroom. I love this. So the charging dock blocks the camera's view, and the camera will only record, guys, when it is in flight. Ring says that the drone makes an audible noise when flying, so it is obvious when footage is being recorded. So Ring says that this could also be used for checking things like your stove, or if your window was left open, or if your door is unlocked. So the good thing about this drone is that it's really safe. You don't need to worry about hitting someone or being unsafe. So this drone has a 1080p video, which is amazing, guys. It's the same video resolution what we had back in the day with the Spark. This is amazing for a drone this size and for a security drone. I love this. So this drone also has enclosed propellers, as you guys haven't been able to tell. Well, it has enclosed propellers, so it's gonna be really safe. So let's say it crashes, it won't hurt anyone. But it won't crash, guys, because this drone has obstacle avoidance. Yes, guys, this drone has obstacle avoidance, which is something that I absolutely love. Also, it's only able to be able to fly indoors. Obviously, it doesn't have GPS, so if a lot of wind hits the drone, well, it's gonna drift away. So obviously, it cannot be used outside. So that is everything that we know regarding the Ring drone. I love these, guys. The Ring Always Home cam. I love it, guys. I cannot wait to get my hands on one, add it to my house, see how it performs. I cannot wait for next year. I think this is going to be an absolute game changer for the drone world, and especially for security cameras, guys. I absolutely love it. So $249 for the Ring drone coming in 2021, guys. That's all the information we have so far regarding the Ring drone. As soon as any more info comes out, we're going to keep you updated here on the channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.